Hi everybody, it's Reza Blade from Reza Blade channel. I meant to say it's Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am here with the 27th of 30 reviews in 30 days. And today we are going to be as quick as I can to see if returning to a little quicker style of review is possible for me. I am known to talk and talk and talk a bit about these plates. So today we are doing the XY-S series on AliExpress, and I have 6 of them here. So I wanted to show you the ones that I have. And first I will show you a manicure that I did from these plates. I made the best of a bad situation. This you'll see when I swatch it. This houndstooth pattern is altered, is kind of defective on the actual plate. But if you put something in the center, you cover up the part that's defective. So I wanted to show you that. It's pretty cute. I like it. So anyway, that is my mani for these plates, and let's move on to the swatches, shall we? So first I'm going to show you each plate. This is number 1, S01. This is S03, emoticon plate. If you've ever been looking for a poop emoji plate, S03 will have it for you. Here's S04, which I think is a great poor man's birthday plate. It's got balloons, it's got a slice of cake, it's got a bunch of little partier emoticons right there. Boom, birthday cake, sorry, birthday plate. I like this sun too. There's a stacked cupcake or something of the sort. It says peace, truth, and love. You can use that on its own. A crying emoji. It's sad. 2 kinds. And these pandas characters over here are kind of interesting. I don't know that I'd use them in a mani, but they're interesting. Alright. So that's S04. Here's S05. I think here's that houndstooth one I told you was a little broken. I covered that up. I love all these bird. These are so cool. You got a bunch of owls and some more owls. I like these. These would be good, a good decal. And this up here says lucky. I've used this tree already 3 or 4 times since I've owned it in manis. It's really cool. Alright, XY-S09. I've used those chandeliers quite a few times, and that ornate corner at the top of my nail. These are just fabulous plates, and at the price that they're around $1 each, I've used this bunch. They're just unbeatable. Alright, so we saw some lace on that plate, but here's the real lace plate of the collection. S10. And S13. This one has a bit of a different and ornate filigree, maybe an Eastern European flair. Berries, oak leaf maybe, and I love that butterfly. There's a smiling daisy. That is a really interesting and fat owl. This doesn't stamp here. Maybe on, if you grab it, maybe yours will, but mine doesn't stamp. I've used 3 different colors of stamping polish and 4 different stampers. got a kind of interesting little stylized fox there, and then a little mushroom house. That'll be fun. Alright, so there are all the plates in their entirety. Now let me get you how they stamp on paper, which is what I always wanted to know. I mean, paper can be pickier than a nail sometimes, depending on whether you've put a sticky base coat on the nail or not. Alright, S03. Alright, second row. Here's that, how that emoji stamps. A bunch of single images, just individual things you can incorporate into a mani. Alright, S09. Got all those ornate images, really cool. That bird you can stamp first and then put in this cage if you want, or you can do it on a stamping mat, make it into a decal, whatever you want. Or you could put the pixie in the cage. different kind of manicure there. Love this. Alright, S09. S10. Got all that lace. Stamps great. I mean, really superlative stamp. Stamps great. Alright, we've got 13. That top stamped great. Alright. Now we're going to do the other side, which is, alright, here's S01. Got the hearts that I used in this mani, got some ribbons. We've got all three stages of coffee's life. We've got the coffee cherry on the branch, we've got coffee beans, and then we've got the coffee. Alright. The text here, I had trouble with some leftover stamping polish. Here I didn't scrape well enough. So let's see where I restamped that. Did I? Maybe I didn't. I thought I did. Sorry, the camera's wobbling a little bit. That lady with the mirror. Oh, how cute is that? Alright, so S05, we've got all those silhouette patterns. That's fun. A tree. I had trouble with this one when I accidentally made an ombre behind the stamp. So those pretty colors. And here's the stamp. And then there's how these things look. Alright. We've got S04, last one. I love this rain image here with all the little emoji clouds and raindrops and stuff. It reminds me of a plate that Uber Chic did. I don't remember what plate, but this is actually a better stamp than the Uber Chic one had. I couldn't, I like the individual emojis, but I couldn't find a use for that particular stamp as a group. I'm sure I could use this stamp though as it stands. Alright, got music and smiling spirographs. And here we go, peace, love, truth, with some cupcakes. This is all covered up by my hand. Got some polish on it and I kept smashing it everywhere. Alright, so there's the three guys celebrating maybe a birthday, maybe not. That sun is really awesome. see if I can find it for you. Here's the cake. Here's the cake and the... I forgot to have my camera in the frame. I mean, my phone, my pointer finger in the flame. I've been pointing these things on my phone because I'm on a urgent kind of different camera setup today. I broke one of my lamps accidentally when I made my last unboxing video, so I've borrowed one of my roommate's real live photographer really hot lights. That meant we had to put the camera somewhere else, and it's not working out really great because I have to stand up basically to put these in the frame and point things out to you. So I'm sorry that my fingers weren't on the... That's embarrassing. So I think that is it for the stamps. I think this is the only image I got of the only print I got of the sun, but that is pretty cool. Anyway, so the series for me is a go get 'em. I'm really a huge fan. I don't know which ones in the series I don't have, but every little while I go back on AliExpress and see what series do I have that I feel like expanding, and the S one is definitely one of those. So let me know what you think below, and please subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Support the small YouTuber, yay! And let me know if you have any questions or comments. See you next video. Bye.